Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Google app or a browser and tapping your profile icon. This puts you directly into account controls. Once done, choose Search Settings from the menu so you land on the Safesearch controls. Make sure you're signed into the account that enforces the filter, otherwise changes won't persist. You're not changing device restrictions, yet you're accessing the exact toggle. Now locate the Safesearch filter near the top to prepare for the change. You now see the Safesearch filter option. Turn the explicit results filter off by tapping its toggle, and the interface will update immediately. Once toggled, scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap Save if that button appears. This ensures the preference writes to your account. If Google asks for confirmation, accept it so the change sticks. Make sure cookies and site permissions aren't blocked, because that can prevent settings from being saved across sessions. Finish by testing. Run a search using suggestive keywords to confirm explicit results can appear. If results remain filtered, check for account-level controls like family link, supervised accounts, or organizational restrictions that override your setting, and address those first. If nothing else, sign out and back in, clear the app cache, or restart the phone to apply the change. Troubleshooting tip. If you're blocked by family link or admin controls, you'll need that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.